Speedometer burn up. Yo, Wagwan when the pan will come forward to the TV and you don't know teacher song we said that already. Your airport runway are burn up. Who ready for Freedom Street? Yo, make sure to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV and forward that video.
Oh, go on, sir. What the hell what kind of twin business this? What kind of twin? Twin. You don't need them with it. Yourself. I want this on my nose. I'm out.
Here's the problem, though. You might not want to record this part, so I ain't gonna lie. Oh, you already know. They've been listening already. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news. I know you're excited to go down to Kingston, but air traffic control just slapped a 2.5-hour delay on the plane.
A lie.
Because basically, they got to coordinate between LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark, and they can't launch all the airplanes going to the same. So just think about, like, you see when it's raining and your highway's like blocked up? That's what's happening right now. So we can't all launch in the same direction. So they have to...
This, anytime now, make a video. Anytime now, my brother come out of this. Any day now, Kyro come out of this. Kyro! Kyro! My brother Kyro! Raju! Kyro! Anytime now, brother! You come out of this! Kyro! Kyro! Any day now, my brother walks with that dirty bumbuckler place here. I want to you. Bumbuckler rich lifestyle. I wait for my brother. Yeah. Kyro! Your brother love you! Kyro! Kyro! Raju! Kyro! Kyro!
So you know say I'm murder. So on behalf of 2 minutes to drink again, strictly 2K. Yeah man, enough respect to Vybz Kartel. Shut up. Shut up. I can't go feel no cigarette. She's in a blazing garden. Come down. You hear me? Bro, I named Sean Chandler. Who is a big song introduced with me? Real bad man of Maglina. I introduce him. Kakito Bandido. I introduce him. May I the dance I'll Pele? I introduce him. So big up all of the fans then at Strictly. And big up all of the guys them with Beatley. And big up all of the dogs them with Clickly. Remember Tuesday Almighty Stadium, and it's about everybody there, and their mother.
Shares the Poochie, I know. Exactly. I don't know, but when I say
Poochie,
Share. Share.
I mean, she gonna link it up.
Share. Yeah. That's actually not Poochie. What you're seeing is a figment of your imagination. Music soothes my soul. Yeah.
You hear that?
You want a tape? That's on a rape. Remember, one Jigsy King, see you? Legend in a dancer. Vybz Kartel said that. fully happy. Double father. What is under my nose? I'm out. It has snap. Only you can't flap. I don't know why. Only you run me down. A while ago about she one picture. Like she a fan. When she a artist. And she not done. Okay. She one of the smartest.
That's alright. That's
what is under my nose?
I'm out.
That's an area. But I have to pick up nothing wife. This is Mrs. Angie Nelson.
Yeah.
That Mandela. And this is a DJ. Kartel. Yeah. Look for her good. And stop look for her now. I'm out.
Arrive time, you know. But Rolex, you know.
Yo, nah.
You don't let my pass.
I'm banned from the studio.
You don't let my pass rhyme time.
Yo, the man slime time.
Would I never give you a gun because you're ready for crime time?
Yeah, man. Put down the key, put down the 9 time.
Yes, man. This is it.
Yes, you say it.
This is it. A lot.
Nothing can't forward with.
Nothing him can't find. I want him read. Nothing him can't find.
It's a tape.
It's a tape.
Guys on a rape. Member, a Vybz Kartel. I'm there with my sister-in-law, Gamze. Fresh from London. And she there with one Dan. She just flew in for Freedom Street.
Yes, indeed.
All the men is so she sweet. I see them do it. Fist bump. What is under my nose?
I'm out.
Your mouth.
Black people time for
You still a tell lie. You still a tell lie. When should we believe you? When should we believe you? What the fuck you not tell me, say, bro? Who not tell me, say? Who not say, but she took accountability? Yo, you know when she come do video? The people them on Twitter. Because the woman a beat me and she said, blood clot, the tables turn. Make me go milk it. Wrong cow. Should have meet la cow, yeah. Should have meet la cow, yeah. I'm telling you this. Wall of uno, just like even the other bumbuckler sour one day. When I send guy road and do so much for. I come, we have an argument and you come at my yard and come talk about the local Benz and the rent house of fool them. And you see, you can never own a Benz. You can never own a Benz and you can't live in the house that I live in. Wall of uno bumbo, wall of help out, bro. Uno come around, come blood clot. Come, this man, bro. For what? For what? Me and enough people have differences. Big up to niggas. Me and niggas have a difference. Enough time and it never get disrespectful. And when I see me say, Bumble, me a prayer, and I say, me a prayer too. I will say that, I will hug it out and say a joke. You never know say me and niggas have differences. I saw it go. I want to call me to another. I'm to you, bro. Not we're humans, bro. We're bound to have differences, bro. It is what differences. You know what I mean? But I don't want a man in a chatting with me, dog. When I come in this like a big mouth girl, I come in a ball tuna and just like, oh my god, he's such a fucking bully. Oh my gosh, he's gonna kill. You know, I'm not so insensitive, yeah, man. Because you have people out there really about mental issues, bro. Every time this girl does something wrong, she come with mental health. Brother, you know what my girl probably got through, bro? For see people in the comments step on, oh, she take her man, me and Tans never have nothing, bro. I want him to know, dog. I want him to know, bro. Be real with yourself. You not defend a woman, we are disrespect woman. What type of joke that you run and talk about? You have to expose somebody new.